Welcome, champion. My name is Ebet Etukudo, officially known as the Eminent Mentor, the #1 mentor in Africa, and you're about to experience a life-changing opportunity that have the ability to change your life 360 degree plus. If you're watching this right now, it means you are ready to change your financial story. You're tired of struggling. You want the real skill that will put money in your hand daily, not just hope, not just faking it up. So let me officially welcome you to the Forex Success Briefing, where I will show you how I help ordinary people become profitable Forex traders from complete beginners to advanced level, and how you too can start making 200 to 300% return from the world's largest market, the Forex trading. So the big question is, why Forex, or why now? That's the question. Why Forex trading, or why right now? Now, let me first ask you this simple question, and I want you to be very sincere about it. If you are employed, who determines when and how you make money? Who is the person that controls that? Or if you own a business, who controls your income? Definitely your customer, because without your customer, you don't make any profits. The big question right now is, what happens when your boss or your customer disappoints you? You stop. That's the truth. But in Forex, the difference is the case. With Forex, you don't depend on anyone. The dependency is very slim, if at all. All you need is just three things: your smartphone, the internet, and a profitable trading skills, which is what I'm actually going to give you. So you might be wondering, what is Forex? Because many persons don't really know much about Forex, or they have the misguided information about Forex. Forex is the short form of foreign exchange. Just like Malam, Aboki will exchange money. You want to travel, you go and exchange money in the bank, or you have dollar, you now take the dollar and go and exchange and get naira or any other currency. Now, the process of doing that, people are making profit. That is what is called foreign exchange. And now they now abbreviate it. They now take the first three letters of foreign, that is FOR4, and take the first two letters of exchange, EX, and make it Forex. Forex. Now, it is the largest global market in the world where currency are traded. In this particular market, over $7.5 trillion is being traded every day. Yes, trillion dollars is what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about million. Now, it's the biggest market in the world. The biggest financial market you can ever dream of in the world is the Forex market. It's bigger than stock you have ever talked head of. It's bigger than crypto. Yes, that's it. So, in Forex, we make money by predicting whether currency like dollars, euros, pounds, or naira will go up or down. So with that, we place a smart trade accordingly. Now with this, if you're able to do this and it comes in your favor, then you make profit. The truth about bank is what I want to tell you, because this is what took me into Forex. I never liked Forex for years. I hated Forex. I didn't want to give attention for it, because I used to think that people are scamming people are losing money. I didn't give interest. But when I discovered that we take money and go and put in the bank so that we can save it, but banks now take the money and go and trade Forex. Who is scamming who? Can you just imagine what is happening? Are you aware of the big boys that are trading the Forex? Now, let me share with you. I would like you to make a personal research on this. Now, the #1 set of people that are trading the bank are central banks, that they want trading the Forex market. The second set of people that are trading the Forex market are banks, small banks like all these Access banks, and all these, those your bank, that bank that you put money. Now, pension fund, you know that they take pension fund to go and trade Forex? Are you aware of that? The hedge fund, all these big companies, they trade Forex. Now, when I knew this, I said, wow. So am I fooling myself for not trading Forex? I want you to ask yourself that question. Are you trading yourself? Yes. I know you might be thinking that, the bank is the house of money. It's a lie. You're wrong. Bank is not actually the house of money. Bank take your money, trade in the Forex market, make profit, then return the money back to you without interest. I don't know. Does that make sense? Just think about it. Someone use your money without your permission, without your consent, and make more profit. And after making the profit, he returns back the money to you without interest. So what should you do? Now, this is what you need to understand. The real house of money is Forex. That's where all the billionaires are. Elon Musk and the rest of them, all the billionaires are trading the Forex. Now, I want you to meet real people. Real people. Now, let me show you the possibility. When you learn this business, this Forex, the beauty of it, what is going to happen? Now, the beauty of it is that it's the only industry in the world that can make an ordinary person A person that was a nobody. You were nothing to become a multi-millionaire in the shortest time ever. That's just it. And guess what? Even you that is watching this video right now, listening to me right now, you can also become a multi-millionaire as soon as possible without depending on anyone, without depending on your boss, your family, your customer, or anyone. All you need is just your smartphone, the right mindset, the decision to start right away. This is just what you want. Yes. Now take a look at this very gentleman. This very gentleman started Forex trading 2018. His name is Jeffrey Benson. Now Jeffrey came into this as a nobody from scratch. Now, he was studying law in University of Ibadan. Yes, I think so. He was studying law there, but he has this strong urge to make money. While he was sharing his story of buying a Ferrari, he said he asked himself, being a lawyer, can he buy a Ferrari? He said, no, he cannot answer that question. He decided to look for something else and do. Now, along the line, he ventured into Forex trading, which actually gave him the possibility to buy 8 cars. I mean, 8 cars in shortest period of time. He has Ferrari, he has a Lamborghini, he has different kinds of cars. Yes, that's Jeffrey Benson for you. Just like you too can get to that point. Today, Jeffrey Benson has been verified as dollar millionaire, earning consistently through the global market. Here's another powerful person, a very inspiring figure. His name is Happy Forex. Happy Forex too started without any financial background, struggling into the industry, drive in, and today he owns a Lamborghini. He earns thousands of dollars on a daily basis from the same skills that you're about to learn. So you're actually in the right place. There are a lot of persons. This has changed a lot of persons' life. What of Michael E? Michael E is a civil engineer who now earns over $2 million every single month, higher than what he used to earn from his work. Come on, this could be you. What about Sarah A? A very busy mom with zero knowledge background from this industry, but today she earns in dollar from the comfort of her home with just a smartphone. What about Daniel T? Now, this is a struggling student who now fund his education through trading. This could be you if only you understand this market and know how to navigate trade. These are not celebrities. These are people like you who learn the skill, transform their life, and you too can get to that place. Time for me to name all of this. But why you must learn Forex now? That's very simple. One, many currency is falling, especially Naira. Naira is going down and dollar is increasing every day. Your purchasing power is going down because saving is no longer enough. Come on, think of it from that end. So to beat inflation and rise above the economy of your country, of any country that you are, then you need to earn in dollars. Very, very important. When you earn in dollars, you no longer bound to your to a certain country economy, like Nigerian economy. You are not. What you learn in this class is this. You're going to learn the beginner to advanced Forex training program, and here are what you will learn. On the week 1, which we have the foundation, you learn what is Forex and how it works, understanding brokers, accounts, and platforms to trade. Now, how to open those accounts, fund them, and withdraw your money from those trading accounts, how to use MT4, MT5 trading view apps, and all of these. Now, the basic terms, charts reading, candlestick, lot size, and more. All of these things are what you're going to learn on week 1. Then on week 2, you're going to go to the advanced profits, which you're going to learn technical analysis, trend lines, support and resistance, all of this put together, the fundamental and sentiment analysis. All of these are what you are actually going to learn. Then you're going to go into creating profitable strategy. Now, all of these are what await you. Money management and risk control, trading psychology, how to master your emotion. All of these things are what you're going to learn. Live trading support, how to know when to enter and when to exit the market. Yes, you're going to learn that. Now, this is the structure of the class. It's going to be a 2 weeks duration, and it's going to be a WhatsApp group and sometime live on Zoom session or Google Meet. We're going to have that. This class comes from Monday to Friday, 1 to 2 hours a day. I'm going to have some on voice notes, infographic, screen recording, and some YouTube materials and PDF. All of these things put together to give you the best of the best. So bonus, you're going to have like weekly chat review. Sometime, depending on how you are serious, you might have access to some other advantages and training assignment too, because I will be holding you by the hand. Please note that this is not just a recorded video that will be done. No, not just a recorded video done. I will personally teach you and interact with you on a daily basis. I'll be teaching and interacting with you. Trust me, that's just the truth. And how much does it cost you? Let's be very honest. A program like this value for over 50 to 500,000. I am being very honest. Yes, most of the persons charges 150, 200, 400,000. Some even charge in dollars. But I have to be very honest to you. If I want to charge you that, many of you will not be able. Because I want to empower just 100 serious students. You know what I'm going to do? I will not charge you 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. What I'm going to do is I'll give you a special offer. Instead of wasting your time with just it took
2,500 naira.
Yes, that's it. As cheap as that. I know you may be wondering, this one is so cheap. I am just giving out because I just want to sponsor only 100%. Those are the number I want to empower. Just 100%. 100 committed ones. So once the slot is secured, it's gone. And this is going to cover you the entire 2 weeks training. No hidden charges. You're not going to pay any extra fee. That's all. But note, we have only 100 slots available. Only 100 slots. Once the slot is filled, registrations closes. Now, as I'm talking to you, there's actually a class that is going on right now. But you know what? The registration closes. You cannot join them. And all you have to do is pick now, join now. Yes, because once you join now, you are not even sure of next if you are able to have access to another one. Yes. Now we have real results. Don't take me by my words. Come to the briefing group. Watch other videos, testimonials, and hear from people from WhatsApp group briefing. You're going to hear people talking there. See real how students from different walks of life are able to come in and make profit. You can also be the same. You might have some questions. I already trade Forex. Should I join? Well, this is my point. No, this class is strictly for beginners and struggling traders. So if you want my mentorship in advanced level, then chat me privately. I'll know what to do for you. There's a class specifically for that. Do you get it? Get my mentorship for that. So this class is not for pro traders. This class is for beginners and those that are struggling. That's the one that this class is for. So if you know that you want my mentorship, kindly reach out to me. Then there's a special class for that separate. Now, so the question is, are you ready? That's the question I have for you. Are you ready? If you are ready, then that means you want more income, you want more financial freedom, you want to finally understand the Forex market. Yes, you want to earn in dollars. You want to turn your phone into money-making machine. Then this training is for you. What you need to do right now is request for the account number and pay commitment fee. Send us the proof of payment as a screenshot. Then you'll be added to the premium training group right away, which you're going to have access to the training and be starting. Now, start to joining and stay consistent. The training is coming up on Monday. Yes, the training is coming up on Monday. Listen and listen very well. What you do now determine where you'll be in the next 90 days from now. So don't allow fear or procrastination steal the financial future you're supposed to build today. Take the bold step. Let me hold you by the hand, show you what to do, teach you, look at this Forex, show you what to do so they can strive and live the life you were designed for. I'll see you in the class. My name is Ebet, Etukudo, officially known as the Eminent Mentor, the #1 mentor in Africa.